Hey, how you doing everyone? It's Marek here from stratever.com and welcome to the Kingdom Builder review. Right now I am here in the members area, and in this review I will show you what is this product all about and how it works. Creator of this product is a young Danish marketer, Philip Johansen, and this is his second product. He is a very talented marketer and he has a bright future ahead of him. In his course, he will teach you how to create YouTube review videos, how to build your list with help of YouTube, and mainly how to optimize your YouTube videos so you can gain the best results. Before we jump into the models and we will look at it, I will show you my bonus page as I come with the bonuses with this product, and we can quickly check it here. Bonus number 1 is access to limitless traffic. Bonus number 2 is access to over 35 high quality lead magnets to use with the Kingdom Builder. Bonus number 3 is email marketing bonus course. Bonus number 4 is 2,500 copy and paste email swipe, so you can use it for your email campaigns. And bonus number 5, there you have all vendor bonuses. Now about prices for this product. The front end of this product costs only $9.95, so it's really it's really bargain, and there's no hard thinking about it to get it or not. You can access the powerful Kingdom Builder software and all training models. Upsell number 1, it's called the Kingdom Builder Extreme for $37 with the downsell options for $27. Philip will show you the most well-guarded secrets to rank your videos at the top. These are 4 well-guarded, free, real human traffic sources to your videos. One of these unheard of sources has a poll of 800 million people. It's completely free. The more traffic to your videos, the more engagement, the more sales. Everything is thought inside the extreme version of the Kingdom Builder. So I recommend to take this upsell. Upsell number 2 is done for you, where you can plug in these 25 done for you premium designs worth over $1,000 and over 50 high engaging video topics. You can get the best possible start for your next kingdom to come for $47 with the downsell option of $37. Upsell number 3, double reseller rights for $97 with the downsell options of $47, where you can steal the Kingdom Builder plus Superstar Cage Rain. Is a former product of Philip, which sold 200 units in just 3 days, and it keeps selling day after day. Steal both of them and sell it as your own. This product has taken months to develop, and thousands of dollars have been spent creating all the sales material. Tens of hours spent to create all the videos. Buyers of this upgrade can enjoy the commissions on this awesome high converting funnel. How to sell the Kingdom Builder as your own? Simple. Put it under any of your new high ranking YouTube videos and enjoy the commission on this high converting funnel and cash in $1,365 from one single buyer. Upsell number 4, Mastermind coaching for $197 and downsell option for $97, where you can get one-on-one coaching via live call with Philip, 2 hours of additional training to answer questions and check progress. Get access to brand new methods to increase income and enjoy the one-on-one support they will need to ensure success with the Kingdom Builder. Upsell number 5 is the Ultimate Kingdom, limited to 5 people only for $997 with the downsell options for $897, where you can save $100. With this upsell, you can make a product of your own together with Philip. Either you can come up with the product idea yourself, or he can come up with the product and you can create it together. It's up to you. Either way, you are going to work closely hand in hand with Philip to build this product together. and he will show you everything there is to know about launching a product. This will guarantee your success, and it will make you more passive income than you could dream of. Some key benefits you may be interested in this. You become the go-to guy for my niche with 100% free traffic, build a massive passive income with only few hours of work per week, build my backend so I made even more money doing. So if you're interested in all those bonuses, just click one of these red buttons here and you can get it, this fantastic product together with bonuses. So back to members area, where we have 11 models altogether. The first one is a welcome message from Philip here. Then we have in setup for success, so how to set up your mindset in this model. In another model, it's orientation and equipment checklist. So he will teach you what you will need, everything you will need for creating YouTube videos, what cameras, what mic, equipment in a nutshell. Then we go to 4 phases of this training, where in phase 1 he will teach you about research. So what's the most important with creating of videos, where you can get video ideas, video topics part 2, then content research 2 parts, what softwares, TubeBuddy software acquired to work with, and how to 10x the speed hack. Then in phase 2 he will teach you the hot script in detail, how to film your videos and how to make your video editing in under 30 minutes. In phase number 3 we have in optimizing and strategy tricks from Philip, secret ranking hacks, optimizing your video, optimizing further, how to earn 1000 on a single buyer, last optimization step, and thumbnail strategy. Phase number 4, how to get off of YouTube, where Philip claims this is where the money is, so he will teach you that. Share your win and win new products, that's the special from Philip. Accelerate your growth, how to accelerate your growth with Philip in person. The Kingdom Builder Pro version. So here you will discover the methods and above mentioned 800 million free traffic source, and how to get another traffic, another options. And in the last section there are resources. So this seems to be a really fantastic product. It helped very much if you intend to create YouTube review videos and make some money off it, and I highly recommend this product if you want to make it into internet marketing or affiliate marketing, general digital marketing at all. So if you like this product, you can pick it with all these bonuses and just click one of these buttons and you can have it. So thank you very much for watching my short video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye now.